Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can change your chat theme on Instagram. So it's pretty simple. First thing is, after opening Instagram, you want to click on the chat icon at the top right of your screen. Now once you're in the Instagram chat section, you want to open up a chat with your friend whose theme you want to change. So I want to change my chat theme with this person, Abhinav, so I will click on it. Once I click on it, what I need to do is click on his name at the top of the screen. So in your case, it's going to show you your friend's name. So click on it while I will click on Abhinav. Once I click on his name, it's going to open up this. From over here, you can see this option called theme. So right now my chat theme is the default one. So what I'm going to do is click on theme. From over here, I'm going to select the random theme. So you can scroll and see which theme you like. You can also just change the color if you want to by scrolling all the way down and choosing the color. But if you want to change the theme in itself, then you can choose it. So I will go with the spooky vibes one. I will click on it. Once it shows you the theme name, you can just go back and the theme should have been changed just like this. So that's how we guys can change the chat theme on Instagram. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide for future videos like this. I will see you guys next time.